Hey, in this video, we are going to talk about how to clay and also the reasons why you clay. And we have this old Volvo here, which unfortunately has some overspray, I think, for some underseal, but it also has loads of bonding contaminants. I don't know if you can hear that, but it is so rough, it's like sandpaper. And I've gone through all of the washing stages. I've done pre-wash, I've done snow foam, I've done the washing, but no chemical safe enough is going to remove these without damaging the paintwork. So I need a mechanical action to solve this. So Sonax has a few options. We have our traditional clay bar, but I want to show you our clay ball, which is one of my favorites, and it will be your favorite as well. This is synthetic clay pad, which is great because if it gets dirty, I can just wipe it off. I can just carry on. If I drop it on the floor, again, I can just rinse off or wipe off and carry on. I don't need to worry. They end up lasting, literally no joke, years. Okay, obviously if I drop a clay bar, it needs to go in the bin. Once it gets dirty, it needs to go in the bin. So actually, these are much, much better. And they actually give the same aggressive effect as a normal clay bar. So, next up, we need a lube for claying. And that is where we take our green glass cleaner. This is also available in a professional range in a 5 litre concentrate, which you dilute 1 to 10 for clay lube. So this is effectively 50 litres of glass cleaner. It is very, very cheap. Trust me, it is the cheapest glass cleaner or clay lube you'll ever buy per litre. So what I've done, as I said, I have washed the car. So now the car is wet, which makes it great because I don't need so much clay lube. And I can take the glass cleaner and I can spray on. The reason why we use the glass cleaner is because it soaps up really nice. It gives a lovely slippery effect, a nice lubrication, but also when I wipe away or dry at the end, there is nothing, no residues, nothing left on the panel. If you're using like a spray detailer or a shampoo or something, that will unfortunately a lot of the times leave silicones, gloss enhancers, waxes or whatever, which is it's going to protect the thing you're trying to clay, and when it comes to polishing, that's really going to reduce the performance because it's going to be all over the paintwork. Once we've done that, we then take the clay ball, which is lovely in the hand, fits perfect, and now we can just, in straight lines, we can just use the clay ball, and you will hear it picking up the contaminants. So I've gone through the claying. Now I'm just going to take a drying towel, and I'm just going to dry this off. And once that's dry, that is now super, super smooth. And yet this is so rough. So rough. Unfortunately, with this car, you can see the staining from the paint and stuff because it's single stage paint. It's actually soaked in, but that's no problem because this is super smooth now. I can literally solve that by polishing, which is what I'm going to be doing next. So there we have it. So easy. So now we take a towel and we just remove all of that. And there we go. And that is now, I mean, look how slick that is. You can see just how easily my hand's gliding. Whereas over here, oh, that is so rough. It's like 80 grit sandpaper. Now this, smooth as anything. Unfortunately, on this car, you can see where, the fence paint or underseal, whatever it is stained the paint because this is single stage, so it's actually absorbed into the paint, but that's fine because now I've got this super smooth, I can just polish to remove that oxidized layer, remove the staining, and I'll have lovely clean paint. And there we go. And that's why we need to clay before polishing, because all of those contaminants that were stuck on there are still stuck on here. If I started polishing, they would just clog up my pad. I'd have little bits of dirt and stuff in there, which is not going to get me the finish that I'm really looking for. So if you are looking to polish your car, you must always clay before. And obviously if you're claying, you must polish after. There we go. The Sonax Clay Ball, giving you lovely smooth paint, ready for polishing. And that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and I will see you in another video.